All right, y'all, I don't know what happened, but hi, welcome back to my channel and my makeup wardrobe. I was just unboxing my Melt mystery boxes from December for you guys, and something happened, my camera turned off and I lost all of the footage. So that's real fun. I had already finished unboxing my first mystery bundle, which was the $25 one, the smaller one. So I'll quickly run through and show you guys what I got because I've already opened it. Anyways, I ended up getting another Sex Foil liquid highlight in the shade Chocolate Dipped. This is way too dark for me, so I will not be keeping this at all. I don't know if I'm going to do like a giveaway with it or put it up on Poshmark or just see if there's a friend I can give this to, but I am going to pass this one along. The next thing in here was a highlighter. This is one of their digital dust. No, this is a blush light. This is a blush light. The packaging is so, you know, lit up that I can't get it in focus, but it's basically like a really, really light white, and I think it has like a gold shift to it from what I can tell in the pan. I am not keeping this because it's way too light for me, so I'm going to see if there's someone I can give it to. The box did come open, like half open. It was really weird, but this packaging is really, really pretty. I do love the packaging on these. The next item was a Melt little nudes lipstick in the shade Tease. I did swatch it right here. It's a really, really pretty shade. I did decide I was going to keep this one. It is more of a like mini size with the classic Melt packaging, and then it's got the really pretty kind of engraving on it. I'll see if it focuses. You can kind of tell. I don't think you can. Oh, there you go. There you go. It's really, really pretty. Smells like, I don't know, a Play-Doh lipstick. I feel like that's the issue with their lipsticks that I have, is they kind of smell not the greatest. So yeah, I will keep that one though. And then the last item I am also going to keep is the Blueprint palette. It didn't come shattered this time, thankfully, and I do really like blues. I didn't think I would be keeping this one, but I think I'm okay keeping this one. It does have a lot more of their shimmers than I would like, and it's only got 2 of the mattes, which I think your matte formula is actually way better than their shimmers. But I think I'll hold on to this for now, and we'll revisit when I do my palette declutters, and I'll make a decision about it then. So I'm just not going to swatch it until we get there. But yeah, I am going to keep that one. So I'll have the value of the box up on the screen for you, just like I did last time, if I can remember. So this box was $25 US, and yeah, here's the value. And then in the box there were also 2 lip pencils. I don't know which bundle these came with because they were just kind of loose in the box, but they are the shades Foxy and Headbang. I'm pretty sure that I have Foxy. I'm not sure about Headbang, but these look similar to the ones I got last time, and so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to double check, and if they're the same, I'm going to go ahead and pass these along because I really don't need doubles. So I'm going to go ahead and put those off to the side. And then I had opened up the next one, which had all of this stuff in it. So this was everything in this box. I'm trying to zoom, but I'm doing it all the wrong way. Okay, so this is everything that was in this box, larger box. Well, actually there's also a palette, but we'll talk about that in a bit. So it looks like we got another lipstick. This is in the shade Catsuit. Is this one of their like regular ones then, or is it also one of these newer ones? I don't know if I'm going to keep this yet, so let's see. Oh, it's a nice like chocolate brown. That's a really pretty color. I'm not sure yet, so I think I'm going to hold on to this probably and look through my collection, see what I've got, and if it's pretty different, then maybe I'll just pass it along. But I'm going to look up some swatches online just to make sure. The next thing I'm grabbing is this here. I don't even know what this is, but it's pretty. This is the Digital Dust Highlight in Pink Moon. Oh my gosh, I think I actually wanted this for quite some time, and I think it was Kate the Great who used it, and I was like, wow, that's pretty, but I never bought it. So yeah, that's really pretty. There we go. I was like, it's not even focusing. Let's go ahead and swatch this. I'm really curious. So it is just a nice like pink. I don't really have a ton of pink highlighters. We'll compare this to some when I go through like my declutter. It's not focusing on my hand. There it is. I don't know, it's kind of pretty. I like that. I think that I will hold on to it, but I want to compare it to things I already have, and if I have something similar, maybe I won't keep it. So we'll see. I know, you guys, I just wasted like a ton of money on these boxes, but whatever. We have another one of these little blush lights. This is in the shade Shadow Play. I don't know. I'm glad they're not the same though. Okay, let's see. So this is another like white. Maybe I need to look up the swatches of these. This one looks like it's like green. I don't know if I'm right about that. Should I just swatch it? But I don't want to swatch it in case I don't want to keep it. Okay, I'm gonna have to look this up online later, but why do I feel like they're just getting rid of stuff that doesn't sell? And then we have another one of these sex boils in the shade, oh my gosh, I can't talk, the shade Fetish. I think this is the same one I got in my last $25 box. So yeah, I'm not keeping this. I don't need two of these. I already swatched that one, so this one's probably gonna go into like a giveaway, or I don't know. I don't know what to do with it. Now I have a lot of those. We have a Melt Cream Blush Light. This is in the shade Golden Hour. I don't have this one. I have, what do I have? Honey Thief and Cali Dreams or something like that. So this one is Golden Hour. It is a little bit more peachy. I think this was one that I wanted but didn't buy, and it's got kind of the shimmery finish to it. I'm not going to open this one up yet, but I think I will keep it. So I'm going to probably pop that into my drawers. Ooh, a gel liner. Okay, so I actually have a package of Melt gel liners. I bought their ones that came with the Amore Mariposas collection, but it's with Betsy right now, and I'm just gonna wait for her to ship it to me, but that's fun. I got another one in the shade Cultura, I think, and it's ultra matte. It's really pretty like mustard shade. I'm probably gonna keep this. That's really pretty. I hear these are always like so creamy, so I'm so like, ooh, that's a really cool color. That would be a really nice color to use as an eyeshadow base as well. So I will obviously be keeping that. Ooh. All right, and then this one. This is one of their Perfectionist Lip Liners. Focus, dude. This is in the shade Caffeine. I don't have this one. I only have Sepia. So I bought one of these when they first launched them. And I really do love the formula of these pencils. So this is the shade Caffeine. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. So there is the lip liner. I really, really like these kind of pencil lip liners, so I will be keeping that one. And then what do we have here? Are these lip liners too? These are lip liners. And then we have the shade Cinder and Scandal. And I think that the red in here, if it's a good one, I might keep it because I got rid of some of my reds. I have one, but it's just too creamy, and I like that. Oh, these are also the creamy kind. Yeah, but it's more of an orangey red. That's really pretty. I think I will keep that one. Sorry if also the lighting is weird. I think I mentioned it the last time I was recording, but forgot to this time. But we're in the middle of a move. Everything's kind of a mess, so that's why I haven't been filming, and yeah, everything's just kind of sitting around. So this is in the shade Cinder, and there we go. It's really pretty. I probably have a few like that, but I know I will get use out of it, so I'll keep that one. And then the last item is the Millennial Pinks palette. You know, last year I probably would have said this is really boring and that I don't want to bother to try it, but I think that now Ruby would actually really enjoy this. And I do really like pink tones and mauve tones. So I was really happy to get the She's in Parties, even though it was broken. But this one, like, I love silvers and I love pinks. I know this one isn't one of their best formulas, but I'm excited that at least half of the palette is matte. So I will be keeping this one. I think that's really pretty. I guess I'll just put the total value up here because I don't know where those lip liners that were loose in the box belonged. But that is all. I guess I'll throw some products back here so that you guys have something to look at. I don't know. Here, have things to look at. This is why you come to my channel, right? No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I don't know. I was hesitant to open this box because I knew I would be disappointed, but like I am disappointed. But yeah, it's just going to be a lot to like declutter and get rid of, which is annoying. I think, honestly, I kind of wish I never bought them. So let this be a lesson learned. Do not get suckered into mystery boxes. Most of the times, even though they have the value, they may not have the value that you expect from them. So because I'm not getting use out of every single product that I am getting in these mystery boxes, they're really not worth it to me. So yeah, I guess that's all I can say about it. So that's all for this one, you guys. I will be back very soon with the rest of my declutter videos, and then hopefully once I have my like beauty space, filming space set up, then I can finally go back to filming and you can see my face. Until then, I hope that you're all staying safe, being healthy, and staying kind, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!